Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. In previous class, we learned more or less. In today's class, we are going to learn finding how many more or how many less. Let's start our class.
Our lesson is finding how many more or less. We can find how many more or how many less there are in a group by counting the extra things. Here you can see in the picture some brown kittens and white kittens. If you match one brown kitten with the one white kitten, now you will find how many more are there or how many less are there. If you see the picture here, some brown kittens are there with pairs, and coming to the last two kittens, they don't have pair. So these two are extra. So this group has more, this group has less.
Look at this picture, children. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see some milk glasses in first group, some cookies in second group. Now let us find which group has more things and how many more it has than other group. To find how many more or less, first we have to make pairs. How to make pairs? See, we have to take one thing from each group and we have to make pairs like this. Okay, this is one pair. One glass and one cookie is one pair. Like that, go to next pair and next. Can you go for another pair? No, because here no cookie. You can see here a glass, but there is no cookie to make a pair. Now you tell me which group has more things. First group. How many more it has? One more. So first group has one more and second group has one less. Okay, now let us go to next picture. Here you can see some bananas and some monkeys in different groups. Okay, now let us find which group has more and how many more it has, and which group has less, how many less it has than other group, by making pairs like this. You should take one thing from each group and you have to make pairs. Now you tell me which group has more things. Right, first group. Here two bananas are more. And what about second group? Yes, it has two less monkeys. First group has two more, second group has two less. Now you understood how to find how many more and how many less?
Now time to workbook. So first write the date in the workbook, page number 19. Then read first question. Color the groups that has more birds. Here you can see two groups of birds. You have to color the picture which have more birds. Second question, complete the table. One has been done for you. See children, here two groups are given. You have to find which group has more and which group has less, and how many more and how many less you have to write. Here one has done for you. Example, this is by seeing this you have to do this one. And third question, fill in the blanks. Read the question and write the answer. Now lesson 4. After completion of lesson 3, now we are moving to lesson 4. Making more, less or the same. In lesson 3, we learn how to find how many more or less. In lesson 4, we are going to learn making how many more or less are the same. We can make more, less or the same number of things. Turn the page. See the picture. Here you can see 4 balls, children. Here how can we make more than 4 or less than 4 or the same as 4? Here it is given. Now I will show you how to make more or less or same number on the board. Now let us do this one with number 5. First we have to draw 5 things. Any pictures you can take. So now I want to make more than 5. More than 5 means it can be 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 any number, children. After 5, whatever numbers are there, that is more than 5. Now let us make more than 5. These are 5, 5, 5, same. Now more than 5. It can be any number after 5. This is making more than 5. Let us make less than 5. Less than 5. First we have to take 5. Less than 5 means the numbers which are before 5, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are less than 5. So you can take either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. If you take 5, it is equal to 5. If you take 6, 7, 8, that is, it will go to again more than 5. Here what we have to make less than 5 now. So we have to take before 5 whatever number is there, any one number you can take. Okay, this is less than 5. Now say the number is 5 now. So first you take 5. Same means what, children? Again you have to draw 5 only. This is making same. This is making less than 5. This is making more than 5. If you match, then you can understand better. These are more. These are less. This is same. Equal to 5. Less than 5 here. Missed. 2 missed. These are 3 more. Okay, children? Now let us go to workbook part, page number 20. First write today's date and go to first question. Draw the objects to make 5. Here already some objects are given, children. By drawing them or by cutting them, you have to make them 5. Okay. Next one is draw more than 4 biscuits. Here draw less than 7 apples. Here you have to draw more than 4 biscuits. Here you have to draw less than 7 apples. Here third question is Imran brought 9 apples. He wants to buy less mangoes than apples. How many mangoes can he buy? So read the question and understand. Then you do this bit also. After this workbook part, again go back to content book, practice questions, lesson 3 and lesson 4. Today we learn lesson 3 and lesson 4 now. So go to these bits and complete these also, children, along with the workbook. All the best. Thank you.